The Binance Exchange is the leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2017 in Hong Kong. It features a strong focus on altcoin trading. Binance offers crypto to crypto trading in more than 500 cryptocurrencies and virtual tokens, including Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and its own Binance Coin (BNB). In 2018, it moved its company headquarters to Malta, EU, in response to China's strict regulation on crypto exchange business. Binance is an online exchange where users can trade cryptocurrency. It supports most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. Binance provides a crypto wallet for traders to store their electronic fund. The exchange also has supporting service for users to earn interest a transaction using cryptocurrency. It also offers programs for miners and to help traders make investment decisions. Binance has its own blockchain based token, Binance Coin (BNB), primarily known for crypto to crypto trading. Trading between two cryptocurrencies pair. The Binance Exchange has among the lowest transaction fees for cryptocurrency exchange. It has high liquidity and offers discount to users who pay in the native BNB cryptocurrency tokens. The name Binance is a combination of the words Bitcoin and finance. It claims high standards of safety and security with multi-tier and multi-clustered architecture and deliver high processing throughput. It claims it has the capacity to process around 1.4 million orders per second. It supports trading in more than 500 coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and its own native BNB token. Like other crypto exchanges, Binance offers service around the trading, listing, fundraising, and delisting or withdrawal of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts willing to launch their own tokens can use Binance for raising funds through Intel coin offering. Binance is used by a large number of traders and participants of exchange and investing in various cryptocurrencies. To start trading, users have to complete the necessary KYC requirements. Upon successfully trading account creation, users can add cryptocurrency fund to their public wallet address provided by Binance to start trading. The Binance Exchange supports three types of trade orders: limit, market, and stop limit orders. Limit orders are executed only at the limit price set by trader. Market orders are executed immediately at the best available market price. Stop limit orders become valid orders only when the price reaches a specific level. Binance Market Limited, a UK subsidiary of Binance.com, was banned from offering regulated service to customers in Britain by the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA), the country's regulatory agency, in June 2021. The agency notice prevent the subsidiary from offering trading service in crypto assets and derivatives to customers in Britain. The company's social media team clarified that the ban had no effect on service offering such as trading by Binance.com to users in the United Kingdom. Binance offer an additional 5 types of orders for crypto derivatives, especially future contract. The traded order include limit order, market order, stop limit order, stop market order, trailing stop order, post only order, limit take profit, stop loss order. There is no fees charged for cryptocurrency to fund deposit. However, withdrawal do come with a transaction fees that varies depending upon the cryptocurrency and amount. As of 2021, Binance only allow for US dollar deposits by global users via SWIFT. However, it does allow you to directly purchase a select number of cryptocurrency with a credit or debit card. Deposits using 12 other fiat currencies are allowed, including the euro. In addition to exchange-specific service, Binance offered other tools, platform, and service. Some of them are as Binance Earn is a platform from staking or earning interest by depositing stablecoin with the exchange. Depending on the coin and the tenure, the exchange offered investors multiple options and interest rates of these coins. Binance Visa card is a credit card that allows users to convert their cryptocurrency into fiat currency and spend it on products and service. While the conversion does not ensure administrative fees, third party fees in the form of payment network fees apply. Binance Smart Pool enable miners to switch between different cryptocurrencies for mining to optimize and multiple their income. Binance has a blockchain technology incubator called Binance Lab, which focus on nurturing promise pre-ICO stage projects. It helps deserving cryptocurrency project team by providing necessary funding for development, advisory resource, and launchpad for any necessary listening and fundraising exercise. Binance also offers a site called Launchpad for hosting new emerging blockchain project and API interface. As March 2021, 40 project has been launched. In launch its own Binance Coin BNB cryptocurrency through an ICO in July 2017. BNB has a market cap of around $36.4 billion. As March, it is set to become the native currency of the decentralized Binance Exchange. Binance Coin BNB is the platform entire token. It is used to facilitate crypto trading on the Binance Exchange. The coin was launched during an entire coin offering in July 2017. Binance offered 20 million BNB token to angel investors, 80 million token to the funding team, and remaining 100 million token to the previous participant through the ICO process. Almost half the fund raised during the ICO process were intended to be used for Binance branding and marketing, while around one third were used to build the Binance platform and perform necessary upgrades to the Binance ecosystem. Binance Coin ran to the Ethereum blockchain with the ERC20 standard and has a cap of 200 million BNB tokens. As of Q1 2021, one BNB is worth around $650. It is the third most valuable blockchain-based token by market cap, as roughly $3.6 billion.